So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about paragraph tag. In my previous video I have told you about heading and title tag. So this is what we have written right now. This is p tag that is used for paragraph tag, and whenever we open it we close it at the same time, okay, as I have told you in my previous video. Let us save this and see what happens. First I will show you what happens. Okay, this is what the paragraph is. Okay, let me just remove this tag because right now we are not using it. Control save, and I will tell you the use of it within this video. Okay, so this is what the paragraph tag, okay, and how the paragraphs appear. This is the heading and this is the title written at the top. Okay, yeah, let's go. So whatever comes inside this p tag, that is your paragraph, and if I have given any space or enter, that doesn't come here. Okay, see, if I will give enter in between these two lines also, I have given enter. Let's see what happens, how it appears. Do not forget to save this. Okay, every time you just have to save this file, and see, you have to refresh from here and nothing happened. There is no change in between that. When if you will give any space, space will come here in between the sentences, but if you have given any extra here space, that enter, then it won't come here. See, there's no change. But if you want to give a space in between this line, this is whole your paragraph, this is all about your paragraph. Okay, and inside your paragraph, if you need line, for that I will tell you later on, but let me just tell you how it appears here. Okay, this is your p tag. Whenever you write this together, you write that closing tag. Okay, I will tell you how. Let me just completely tell you. Open this tag, open this p tag, okay, and that is for paragraph, and at the same time close this with the backslash, and this is your close tag. Okay, that is opening tag and that is closing tag. So this is I am doing for indentation so that correctly appear. The news is on demand. Okay, on demands nowadays. Just do not focus on this what I am writing, grammatically mistake or not. Just focus on how I am writing the paragraph tag and what I just want to show you. See, here it is what paragraph. So if something you write in the new line, it doesn't mean that it comes in new line, it comes in the same line as I have. Let me just show you what I am talking about. Same thing I am just copying. Okay, nowadays. Okay, let me just copy it and save it with Control S, or you can save from the top and just refresh it. See, I have written in my text editor notepad, the news is on demand on the new line, but it appearing on the same line. Okay, that appearing on the same line. So if you need the line break, then you have to use break. See what this tag do, it break your line into new line. See what does it does, it breaks your line, it breaks this two line and it gives your answer new tag. So I have told you this tag also in my new videos. I will hope you understood this, and do not forget to like, subscribe this channel, and in my new videos I will tell you about different tags of HTML, might be row, column, or different many more tags. I will tell you about that. Okay, hope you get this. Thank you for watching it. Do not forget to like, subscribe the channel if you like it, and do not forget to watch my previous video if you have not seen it. I'm bringing the class series for it for HTML. Okay, hope you like this video. Thank you.